On the right hand side of the Model J Fusion there is a little opening, a little oval opening, and inside that opening there is a little screw. That screw needs a flat screwdriver. Insert the flat screwdriver inside and rotate slowly anti-clockwise in order to release the capping station from the printhead. That will drop the capping station. The flag will also drop, the flag meaning the wiper blade underneath the printhead, and will release the head in order to move out freely so that you can go ahead and clean it. A screwdriver, place inside, lock it and rotate slightly anti-clockwise in order to release the printhead. Assuming that the printhead was already inside its home position and locked into place, you would not be able to move it out. With the screwdriver on the right hand side in the opening, you can rotate again using an anti-clockwise motion. Slowly turn anti-clockwise and you'll feel resistance. When you feel resistance, slowly turn it and you can see that the flag or the wiper blade has risen to its maximum height. Now you can go ahead and clean it. Go ahead and take your DTG swabs, take your head cleaning solution, dip it inside, and slowly go ahead and wipe out the dried ink on the wiper blade. You can see that as I'm busy wiping it down, apart from cleaning itself, I'm also wiping out that dried ink on the wiper blade itself, which actually, if we take a pick tool and peel it off, you can see how thick the ink is. So this needs to be cleaned once a week. So with the help of the camera, we're going to go ahead and we're going to clean the capping station. The capping station is directly underneath the printhead. We're going to take a swab and we're going to take our cleaning solution and we're going to carefully clean around the capping station. Just like we did with the wiper blade, the capping station has dry ink around it, and that needs to be removed. Just slowly, in one motion, go ahead and dislodge that dried ink. I'm not sure if you're able to see this. I'll try and zoom in on it later. I'll just place it down. For now, this is just one side of the dried ink. Now we'll go ahead on the opposite side. So basically we're cleaning around the capping station and not on the sponge itself. Be careful while cleaning the capping station that you don't dislodge the springs. Be very delicate with the capping station. If you damage or remove the springs, then you're going to have to replace the capping station as well. Now that my capping station is clean and free of any dried ink, we can go and proceed and put the printer back together. I'm just going to leave the dried ink for now on the side, and I'll try and zoom in order to show you just exactly how thick the dried ink is. So this is about 10 by zoom, and you can clearly see that the dried ink around the capping station is approximately 2 to 3 millimeters thick, and it surrounds the entire grid of the capping station. So this is what needs to be removed. Very delicately and very patiently.